गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड, वेलकम यू टू खेजा पार्क और कैंसे शहीद भगत सिंह पार्क। सबसे पहले उन हाथों को सलाम और उस सोच को भी, चाहे जैसे भी, अंडर कंपल्सन, अंडर कंपटीशन, अंडर फियर, व्हाट्स एवर थिंग्स आर देयर, दिस एरिया actually littered with that we can say or that just debris. You see the variety of debris you can see here. These have been collected and just piled in certain places. Whether it will be lifted or not, I can't say for sure, and how longer will it be there over here. I assume it to be so. This is the diaper particularly of the kids. The blanket and the wrapper, just you can say sliced bright, and there you see what is there. And just you can say it about that, these all things which the mentality of the people of the vicinity. Already I told you, अगर पार्क गंदा है अर्थात इस एरिया के समाज गंदे हैं, है ना। और कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है कि चलो भैया ऐसे रहने दो, बीच बीच में सफाई कर लो, है ना। क्योंकि और मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि जो पेपर में है डीडी के ऑफिस में और जमी धरातल पे कितना है उसे भी देखो आप। और थैंक्स टू द पर्सन हु जस्ट मेड द ग्रास टू बी कट एंड नॉट टू स्पीक ऑफ दैट द thicket actually collected here. Who collected? I don't know. No, it not here. But I'm just taking it towards the toilet, and that has been really supposed to be a kind of hell. And hell, how does it look like? How does it smell? You can see particularly from this camera. You can see here this debris, that debris, that people nobody actually disturbed, and maybe because of that reason, it is really supposed to be looking like that. Just let me show you the scenario. Toilet, solo toilet, when built nobody knows. How much amount spent? Make an inquiry of this. You can see here. This is sheer a corruption on the part of the person concerned like that. And you see the thing that is written there over here. Thank you for the very persons who did not disturb these people. You can say this much. Thank you very much. चल उठ जाग रे जन हो मुखर बना सुंदर उत्तम।